Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So select any cell and here click on data. Then click on data validation. Now here select list. Type what you put in drop-down list like yes, comma and no. Then click on OK. Now here guys, once you click on this drop-down option, you can select any option like yes or no. Similarly, you can select another list like 12 month. So now we have this list. Click on this sheet 1. Click here. Same, click on data. Data validation. Allow, select here list and in the source select it. Then press enter. Then click on OK. Now click on this drop down. You can select any month like this. So this is the way guys you can create a drop down list in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.